A Playboy model and a rabbi aren't necessarily two people you think would share the same values and pen an op-ed, but that's what happened. Pamela Anderson, who starred in two infamous sex tapes, has co-written an op-ed with Rabbi Shmuley in the Wall Street Journal to fight pornography. Rabbi Shmuley is known as America's rabbi. He has worked with Michael Jackson and Cory Booker. Pamela Anderson and Rabbi Shmuley decided to write this op-ed after the latest sexting scandal of Anthony Weiner and the ensuing marriage troubles. Rabbi Shmuley told me about Anthony Weiner.
We wrote it because of what a tragedy it is for Anthony Weiner and Huma Abedin. He's a father, he's a husband, and he was given so many chances to correct this behavior, and pornographic addiction is becoming a major problem and challenge to American marriages and to fatherhood in general and to American masculinity.
Pamela Anderson is arguably the biggest sex symbol in the world. So I asked Rabbi Shmuley, what credibility does she have to actually be championing the fight against pornography?
I beg to differ. I think I may be the biggest sex symbol America's ever produced, but let's not debate that now. But who would know better than Pamela about the dangers of pornography? And she knows firsthand the kind of degradation and humiliation that women suffer when they are exposed to pornography and to the kind of objectification that follows from it.
I also asked Rabbi Shmuley how he and Pamela Anderson believe they can actually win this fight.
You don't just say that let's surrender, this is our culture today. You accept that pornography involves a degrading assessment of women, that it also compromises men's ability to relate to women. You acknowledge that it's a real problem instead of just saying that it's not something very serious.
What strikes me on this, first of all, is the comparison of pornography to what Anthony Weiner did, I think is absurd. There's a whole pornography industry out there that has nothing to do with the sickness that Anthony Weiner clearly has, sending out these ridiculous pictures with his kid in the background.
I have a teacher friend who has elementary students watching it on their iPads. So it's going above and beyond just, somebody trying to spice up their sex life.
The question is, how does that happen? Where's the breakdown? Is it because of the internet, or is it because people have no structure?
We don't talk about pornography very often, but it's not going anywhere. I mean, they bring in as much money as almost our 4 major sports combined every year. So think about that.